In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a video by email with HubSpot. Whether you're sharing a product demo, a customer testimonial, or an engaging promotional clip, embedding a video directly into your email can significantly enhance its impact. Videos grab attention, communicate more effectively, and can drive better engagement with your audience. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your video embedded and ready to send. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's begin with preparing your video. Start by uploading your video to a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. These platforms make it easy to generate a shareable link, which is essential for embedding the video into your email later on. Once your video is uploaded, locate the shareable link. On YouTube, for example, you can find the link by clicking the Share button beneath the video and copying the URL provided. Vimeo offers a similar option. You can click the Share icon and copy the link. Copying this link is a crucial step because it will serve as the connection between your email and the video, allowing recipients to access it seamlessly. Now let's move into the HubSpot platform. Log in to your HubSpot account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. You can create an account by following the sign-up process on their website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the marketing section of the dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools related to creating and managing your campaigns. From there, click on the email option to open HubSpot's email creation tools. This is where the magic happens. Next, it's time to create or edit your email. If you already have a draft email in progress, go ahead and select it. Alternatively, you can start a new email by clicking the Create button. HubSpot offers a variety of templates to choose from, so pick one that aligns with the goals of your email campaign. Whether you're looking for a sleek professional layout or something more creative, there's a template for you. Now, let's focus on adding the video to your email. Open the email template you've selected in the editor. HubSpot's drag-and-drop editor is user-friendly and intuitive, so this part will be a breeze. Look for the option to add modules. This is where you'll find all the building blocks for customizing your email. Scroll through the available modules until you find the video module. Once you've located it, click on it and drag it into the body of your email. When it comes to positioning the video, placing it near the top of your email is often a good idea. Why? Because videos naturally draw attention, and having it front and center can increase the likelihood that your recipients will engage with it. After you've positioned the module, paste the video link you copied earlier into the appropriate field within the video module. This step embeds the video into your email, making it easy for your recipients to play it directly from the email. With the video embedded, it's time to test your email. Sending a test email is a critical step to ensure everything is working as intended. Send the test email to yourself or a colleague and carefully review it. Check that the video displays correctly and that the link functions properly when clicked. This is also a great opportunity to look for any formatting issues or last-minute adjustments that might improve the overall presentation. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, it's time to send your email. Depending on your email strategy, you can either schedule it to send at an optimal time when your audience is most likely to engage, or you can send it immediately. HubSpot provides flexible scheduling options, so choose the one that aligns best with your campaign goals. And there you have it. That's how you send a video by email using HubSpot. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a video into your email and ensured it's optimized for your audience. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.